Giving you a glimpse of the king, the new king.
Queen Camilla, following him.
King Charles.
King Charles III.
King Charles
Prince
III.
George there,
This is his
so
coronation.
Still playing a role as...
But when the coronation Jamaicans on a Saturday morning is downtown. Right?
Gosh.
I'm not sure how many Jamaicans actually. I never know, remember about it. Morning, Ava.
They're messy little.
Tina almost cried.
I did cry.
Tina cried when she heard the three cheers. I'm going to try to find it again for you.
Garrison Sergeant Major Andrew Stokes giving the order now for them to remove headdress and call out for 3 cheers.
You hear the crowd outside?
I'm not turning crowd.
Yeah, I got goosebumps once again.
Tina got emotional
Of course, you can imagine he's waiting for this moment.
all his life.
For his entire life. Yes, he was just a little boy when his mother was coronated. The queen lived to be 90 odd years old. I mean, he's well advanced in age. It's yeah. In spite of what you might think about the British as colonists, as our colonizers, about, you know, imperialism, and about us detaching or delinking ourselves from the monarchy, regardless of what you think about that, on just the level of human emotion for the occasion. Yeah. What is it? What is it?
First mission for today is to get to this. Get in this because something that we need is in there, buried in there. As you can see, it's been buried for a while, gathering dust. So let's get it out. There may be lizards, guys, because it's in a corner, so don't jump if you see any. Wait. So this is it. I'm gonna have it the king now. Alright. Bye. Alright. Edie, can you help me push it out? Eva, can you help me push out the box? Alright, so this is it. I'm not going to open it inside because it may be very... Don't know, surprise inside. Come baby, hush. You heard yourself? Hush, hush. Rude. Rude desk. Beat the desk. Rude. Why are you laughing? Why are you smiling? What's funny? A while ago when I stopped the desk? Yeah. Okay, drink up your Milo. Come. Come eat now, Eva. Come, you go over here. Come right here and push. Come over here. Alright, you're going to push, right? Come eat it. You're going to push too. Put on the crayon. The crayon can go somewhere. Give me this. Yes, give me this crayon. Alright. Alright, push. 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 I think I'm doing, they're actually pushing here, they're actually moving the thing. You want to push it too? Come. Push. 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 Alright, good job. High five, everybody. High five. High five.
Bigger.
High five.
big.
High
A little
five.
big.
High
A little,
five. Good job,
a
alright?
little big.
A little big, what is that?
A little up.
A little up or higher? Okay. Alright. Go wash your hands with soap now, everybody. Go wash your hands with soap, you and sisters. Go, go, go. Run, 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 run. It's dirty, alright? Yeah, you're actually pushing and it's not. It's some heavy things in here, but you'll see soon. I'm hoping our want is actually inside. But we'll see. Morning, Bruno. Morning. You okay? People like seeing you, okay? Tell them good morning. Give them a tail wag. Alright.
That's his penis.
If what?
Is that his penis?
That is what?
Penis.
Next topic.
He's a boy.
Huh?
He's a boy.
Yes, he's a boy.
This one here.
And
You really?
Ready?
Don't! Oh my gosh.
I got play.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Lightweight.
Can you put it like out of the sun? Ah. What's in the box, right?
Ready for the big reveal? Alright guys, let's go. The air in there smells like it's been locked up for, you know, when it's like you can capture the air scent in a vacuum like it was locked up from 10 years ago.
It was locked up for more than 10 years ago. Oh wow.
You want to see there?
Oh wow.
When the things come out, you will see.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so I'm actually looking for a tool. So as I remember the last time I went to the house, we're trying to knock down the wall with a sledgehammer. Which didn't work out so well first. The wall beat me. So, on the guidance of Tina's sister, who knows all about this stuff, said we need a saw. Either a circular saw or a reciprocating saw.
And there is
And then
Or a jigsaw.
or a jigsaw, and then Tina's brother, remember that he had a jigsaw.
No.
A reciprocating saw from Tina's dad from way back when. And it's supposed to be somewhere in this box. But there's clearly other memories in here, cause
Boy.
whose one is this? Alvin's?
It is mine.
You used to swim like that?
I used to swim like that.
These are proper fins, right? This is mommy's
I
own.
had the full diving set with wetsuit and
There's no pictures.
mask
It never happened.
and everything.
Any pictures?
I don't remember if I actually took any pictures, but I have my
It never
diving-
happened, guys.
I did a marine biology, a diving science course
Get pictures from around there, please.
in my final year,
Ava and Eden, come from around there.
and these were mine. I wonder if the wetsuit is in here.
What else is it?
What? It is!
That's it? Wow. We still don't see what I came out here for, but
Oh, dear.
this is actually it.
It feels like it.
Would it be purple?
Oh my gosh, it is! Whoa. And yes, I used to fit into this thing.
Is this proof, neighbors? Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is proof? That's
What do you mean if it's proof?
it. I'm seeing a wetsuit. Is it your wetsuit?
It is my wetsuit. Wow.
Body glove.
Yeah.
But it's black and purple.
Nice.
Wow. It has a spider on
So
it.
we need a story time eventually, right? Neighbors, let us know in the comments what you want. If you want to hear all about our
Wow.
diving escapades. But let us put them.
This is in here.
Alright, so fins.
Wetsuit.
Put it back in the bag now. Are you going to wash it?
No, this
No, don't.
it smells like the sea.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at this one trying to pick pomegranate. You can pick pomegranate, miss? That's how you pick things, yes, but this is not a... And there's no hook on this, baby. But good, you're watching. Come. Alright, go on pick it. Go on do your thing. Go on do your thing, bad man.
Are you sure that the saw is in this?
What is this?
Oh.
Probably from washing machine. Let's continue digging.
It feels like an air filter or something that was most likely my brother's.
Oh, for a car, yeah, that's that way for you. A treasure chest.
American tools with wrote a bit. This is probably my brother's.
Let me see in there.
This looks like one of those things they carry to the History Channel and the auction, and they're like, you know, this box is original. 10,000 US. You see?
Oh, hey,
This is a drill.
It's a rotary hammer.
There's a rotary hammer.
But yes, you can use it to drill. You can see in there, aren't you seeing in there?
Leila, just it's zooms to the stuff. Let me bring up your chair.
Watch this one still picking pomegranate. Uh-oh. Wow. Right.
All
So
right.
this is not what we're looking for.
No, I don't.
There's no power cord.
So I'm wondering as well. There's no power. Something look like it went wrong right here.
Whoa. Okay, is this what we're looking for?
Yeah, this is the reciprocating saw that we spoke of.
Wow, it's in pretty bad shape.
It's some TLC. Let's hope it works. But this is it. So the idea is that this would be used to cut through the ply that we're hitting without any success the last time. So this is what we came for, but what's this big tool right here?
Oh, it looks like it's a circular saw or part of a rotor. Okay, it's like a table saw.
Okay.
Down there, down there looks like
Eat it.
down there. That's the cut.
Eat it yourself.
Eat it yourself when it comes to them things here, you know.
Oh, this is supposed to be handy.
Saw. Mm-hmm.
Very.
Mommy, mine it cut you.
Yes, baby. Oh, this is a spray gun. This might come in handy.
Yep.
I wonder if it still works. That's my brother's.
Mr. Spray cars. Let me just spray with it. Bicycle,
no.
yeah, BMX bicycle. Or that was your father who helped you.
That was definitely my father who helped me.
This look like a nice little.
This is a shoe brush.
This look like it come from England.
It's a nice shoe brush.
100% forest here, you know.
Keep that shoe brush here because I'm sure same thing come in handy right away. It's a very good shoe
From
brush.
Israel, I'm telling you. What do you think? I think it says made in Israel.
No, I think so.
I've never seen Israel horses. Israel horse here.
And this horse here is real horse here, no sir?
Yeah, it's a 100% horse here.
Yeah.
Man, these Israel horses. You don't get shoes brushed like that anymore, you know.
Oh gosh.
All I need is some nugget polish.
Some nugget shoe polish. It's just a planer. Wow, this is not. I'm not sure if this is daddy's or if it was my brother's. But you know, when you're playing in wood.
Oh.
Yeah, I should just run this along. This is pretty useful.
Alvin did woodwork?
No, not really, but it was my father that did everything. My father was like a jack of all trades. Always tinkering, fixing. My father did a lot of woodwork. I think that was probably where he excelled the most. But he could do plumbing, he could do basic electrical stuff, anything that needed fixing around the house. Yeah, only for the most serious of jobs did we have to call in a professional, because yeah, daddy built our kitchen cupboards, he retrofitted the bathroom, built the shower enclosure, tiled it himself, everything.
Something going through. Don't touch anything.
Wow, that is wrench. Yeah, I would love to find like daddy's hammers, and he had some other hand saws. Yeah, and that I'm very much attached to. Look at this. Oh wow.
Tool set.
This is my dad's. This is my daddy's toolbox. Oh man. Drill bits. An ice pick that I'm sure he rigged up the handle off. This was daddy's.
What's this?
This was my father's. So he would sharpen. It's a block that you can use to sharpen things on. So he would sharpen his. It's a file.
Oh.
It's a file. So he would send me for this thing all the time when he was filing his, you know, his different blades and whatever else he would be filing. So I was his little assistant, apprentice, who used to run and go get stuff.
So you would usually use this to sharpen the blades?
Yeah, I would just
Rinse across it.
turn it like that.
This is so dusty.
Are you sure this thing works?
Well, things are working right now. Let's get to a plug.
How you can test it?
What do you mean? You have some can cut? Alright, here goes. Seems very powerful to me. I bring something? Alright, you hold it. Ready? That fell out.
The
easy.
blade fell out.
The blade fell out. They're traumatized.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Alright, 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 alright. Alright, okay.
We're going to get a blade today. We're going to shop for a blade today. I'm sorry, baby. I'll plug me something now. So that's the next mission, neighbors. We're going to get a blade. Don't go. We're going to get a blade. And we're going to just clean it up. And then we'll go again. I'm sorry. No more, no more. Cut. Cut. Alright, so this is the finished product of the wipe now. Going to just bring it to the hardware store and get a wood. The wood, what do you call the thing? So the wood blade. Alright, so that's the next mission for today, neighbors. This was a success. Alright?
Okay, well, I think we can count it a success if we succeed in taking the wall down.
No, that's not how you look at life.
You look at this, you're looking, okay, tell me, baby.
Yeah, neighbors, let me tell you cannot wait until the big things happen. You celebrate every goal. You think them Argentina, when they won the World Cup, they were waiting until the 90 something minutes to celebrate. No, when them score the first goal, them celebrate. I just score, you celebrate. What's up?
That's true.
I just score. So this is a victory right now. When the wall come down, that's when the match finish. So there'll be a bigger celebration. But for now, you wake up in the morning, celebrate. You eat breakfast, celebrate.
You find a saw,
Celebrate. You go buy the blade, celebrate. Always something to give thanks, alright?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make a move again.
Celebrate the small wins until you get to the big win.
Exactly. A win is a win. So the shortest one you have? So as long as I don't use this, it will still fit?
No man, it will fit. Alright, pay for it.
Yeah, and then come back to you?
I'll open it and try it for you.
Respect her.
Yeah man.
So I'm coming to the cashier, but of course I can't help myself but look at these because we are immigrating. Anyway, cashier. So that was a good lesson.
Good lesson.
Yeah, so I don't know if some of them have one that can just slip in the blade, but I had to buy this Allen key pack as well.
So you brought by the saw? I didn't see it with it. Just checking.
Is this a scenario though? If you bring back the
It's
saw?
not a matter of ratings.
The saw?
You could have put it down and forget about it.
It's not like the case of the years, you know. I'm a case of the year this. I went in there with the saw. And I'm going to see to it that the saw come back with me. Yeah man, so it was a good little lesson. And in life you have to remain teachable. You can't I say yo, him say one puts it in blade, I say you man drop in the blade and I video him and him figured out on the spot that because he was trying to just slip it in. But the other guy had to come and say no, it have an Allen key.
Okay.
To pull it, slacken it, then he put in the blade, tighten it again.
back.
So just buy a pack as well. And this pack have a good amount. 7,500.
Oh, okay.
I did not expect the cost to be like that.
Yeah, because remember we were saying that the actual tool is really not that expensive.
It's like a printer.
But it's the blade.
It's like the printer with the printer ink.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah, so on the move again.
Yeah.
Ready for the...
Yeah,
and
it's 1 o'clock. We have to run.
we go for Hannah now. Alright, come with us to Hannah place. I know you like up there. There's a spot where we'll have the better view. So I'm going to give you a glimpse. Not too much because you're probably tired of it. But let's go.
I've only seen it once.
They've only seen it once, right? So you want to show them? Man, let's go. Why don't come park right there?
Miss,
If I didn't know that come out a long time.
I thought of moving the car, but I'm like, but I don't.
I need to come out a while ago, my hands up. But that's because him have see me the long gun right there, so I watched the car. Yeah. Anyway, thank God the boss and left.
Yes, and I pray for their safety, you know.
Yeah.
I pray for their safety.
Go through beryllium.
Go through beryllium. Don't work. So here is our full house, Patty. Let's take a bite and see. Yeah.
Daddy.
I like this.
Daddy.
Why are you laughing at me, husband? It's just hard to maneuver the phone this way. Raise your hands if you've ever had tasty full house patty and love it like me. You've ever eaten it? Yeah, but this to me, this is a nice patty. This kind of it tastes cheesy. Too much cheese? Oh, for real?
Wow, look at that paint.
Why were you saying to me this morning that you hope you're not disappointing me? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I hope for the disappointment.
What you mean by that?
Because your father, you always talk about your father being great.
I always talk about you being a great guy, but you're a great guy.
No, when you talk about building stuff, and when you're talking about the building stuff, making stuff, fixing stuff, you speak very proudly. But I don't do stuff like that. Those things don't come naturally to me.
I know that, and I didn't marry you because of that. You're a great guy for other reasons. I don't have any expectations that you will be a jack of all trades like my dad, or you can wield a hammer or a saw with the efficiency of a pro. My father has had his own strengths, and he had many weaknesses too. You don't have some of his strengths, you don't have some of his weaknesses. So that's the thing. I think when we were doing marriage counseling, that came up. You remember? When we were doing marriage counseling, I remember specifically the marriage counselor talking about the kind of household we grew up in and how that can help to form your expectations going into marriage. Yeah. So I know I reconciled all of those things in my mind, all of those expectations, when I decided that I wanted you for a life partner. I knew you weren't going to be coming with all of these handyman skills, but those are things that can be learned. For me, it was much more important that you had the traits and the characteristics that I was looking for. And my father had traits and characteristics that I also see in you. You know, he was a reassuring, gentle, calm person. At least that was how he was for me. You're a reassuring, gentle, calm person. My father was a stabilizing force, and you're a stabilizing force. So there is nothing that you lack that is of importance, that is of true value. So oh, don't worry about it, okay?
Okay. Well, I said, oh, okay.
You said what you said.
Yeah, it's not going to just go like that. I just hope I hope I learn. Yeah.
Yes, but baby, what you don't know how to do, you'll hire somebody to do it. That's all. Yeah, what's more important is that you don't try to be what you are not. Okay? I love you just the way you are. I love you for who you are, not for what I want you to be.
Okay.
Could you love me for me? Real love with no strings attached. See, I'm the kind of love for what you want. You have it.
It was our own Jamaican king, the philosopher King Beanie Man, who said in one of his songs, "Memories don't leave like people do." And it's those seemingly insignificant moments, you know, just driving by, just stopping on the roadside, that really leave a mark on your mind, you know. So live good today, make your memories, make the most of each moment, neighbors. And until next time, big up from me.